If your compact home feels like magulo, your storage might be the problem. Let me tour you here in this home and I'll show you some tips and tricks kung paano natin mas maayos an interior design point of view yung bahay mo. We're here at the living room. So to maximize the wall, you can create a design from floor up to the ceiling. You can also maximize the wall from left to right. Maganda rin na i-clear natin yung area na to put books like this. So pwede yan maging space for that. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating kitchen. So, pwede tayong mag-play around with open shelves, so sa overhead cabinets, or a closed cabinet. So, sa lower cabinets, so as you move along with your house, dito sa open space, pwede naman tayong maglagay ng mga kitchen rack na nahihila lang siya at ibabalik mo. Now, let's talk about stairs. Hidden spaces is your best friend. Pwede mo siyang maging tambakan ng mga seasonal items katulad ng Christmas decorations. At para matakpan yun, lalagyan mo siya ng cabinet na pwedeng kakulay ng stairs. Sa mga stairs like this, pwede mo tong gawing cubby holes like this. At pwede mo yun lagyan ng mga vases. Pwede rin natin siyang lagyan or gawing shoe cabinet. Mas better dyan. Why? Pag nakaupo ka, kunin mo yung shoes mo, mas madali ka magdatay ng shoe. Okay, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa second floor. So, yung mga ganitong extra space, ang magandang tip is an open cabinet or a closed cabinet for your toiletry. Welcome to the master bedroom. If you're looking for a storage area where to put your comforters, you can maximize your bed frame. Underneath here, pwede tayong maglagay ng pull-out storage. So, another tip is to add a night table or a side table. Dito mo ilalagay ang personal belongings mo para pagising mo, dyan pa rin siya. Pwede naman tayong maglagay ng end bench. Meron siyang hidden function. The hidden function is a storage. So, for the wardrobe, since compact yung area, ang best solution for that is a sliding door. And we put a mirror para maging double purpose siya. So, for your kids' bedroom, paano natin siya i-maximize? Of course, through your overhead cabinets and overhead shelves. And also, instead of a side table, we can utilize it by using built-in study table with drawers. So, pwede siyang mag-aral. Pagkatapos nun, pwede na siyang matulog. In Symphony Homes, Mabalacat, it reminds us that even compact homes can feel comfortable, organized, and functional when the space is planned around real everyday living.